MSI Titan GP78HX is a gaming laptop model equipped with Intel Core i9 13980HX processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4000 graphics card, Cooler Booster 5 cooling system, and 100W fast charging features. MSI introduced the Titan GP78HX gaming laptop aimed at esports enthusiasts. MSI presented the unique features of the Vector GP78HX model, which was previously aimed at professional users, to gamers with the Titan GP78HX model. Distinctive features of MSI Titan GP78HX: screen size 17-inch, screen resolution 2560 x 1440 pixels, display type non-glare, processor Intel Core i9 13980HX, display card NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4000, RAM 16 GB, storage SSD up to 1 TB, battery capacity 90 W, charge speed 100W, high-performance laptop MSI Titan GP78HX, MSI Titan GP78 HX stands out as one of the most impressive computers in the series, covering the entire DCI-P3 color gamut and having a refresh rate of 240 Hz. This powerful device consumes 250 W of energy. Its keyboard is equipped with 4-zone RGB lighting, while it offers inputs such as USB Type-C and Thunderbolt 4. Cooler Boost offers maximum efficiency with 5 cooling systems, 2 fans, 5 heat pipes, and 3 3D cooling holes. The computer's Axis Ultra hinge system provides a solid and durable construction with stainless steel components. MSI Titan GP78HX pricing. MSI offers the Titan GP78HX in 4 different configurations. MSI Titan GP78HX RTX 4060 $1,596. MSI Titan GP78HX RTX 4070 $1,978. MSI Titan GP78HX RTX 4080 $2,684. MSI Titan GP78HX RTX 4090 $3,532. The MSI Titan GP78HX seems to make a name for itself in the esports world with its excellent technical features and high performance. The extraordinary features offered by this high-performance PC will take gamers' gaming experience to the next level.